4 Male Thought Patterns Every smart woman should learn. This article discusses male thinking, not in terms of gender, but as a rational mindset. It's about survival thinking, which is an approach that anyone, regardless of gender, can adopt. People with this mindset tend to be successful in relationships, work, and life. Let's explore the first idea. 1. The backup plan logic. In both relationships and work, people often act as backups to others. When job hunting, you don't rely on just one opportunity, you apply to several. Employers do the same, keeping backup candidates in mind. This is also common in relationships. It's not about insincerity, but about being wise and choosing the best options. If you're not the best choice, backups give security. If you find yourself as a backup, evaluate the relationship and set clear limits on your investment. 2. Logic in relationships. People with survival thinking also use logic in their relationships. For example, Xiao Li meets a man who seems perfect at first. They start a relationship, but soon she realizes he's deceitful. Even though she knows the truth, she can't let go, holding onto the initial illusion of him. This shows that emotions can cloud logic. The key is knowing when to move on when someone's behavior no longer aligns with who they once appeared to be. 3. Relationship logic. To build a strong relationship, trust is key. Many people forget this and focus on showing off their qualities first. But without trust, the relationship won't grow. By demonstrating trust and letting the other person into your world, you build a deeper connection. Relationships are about mutual respect and trust, not constantly proving yourself. 4. Closing thoughts. Survival thinking helps you make better decisions in both love and life. Logic doesn't remove emotion, but it helps guide your actions, leading to healthier and more successful relationships. Use both logic and emotion to navigate life's challenges.